Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the metals and minerals puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jerry Liu and made by Taze Puzzles. Difficulty level of the metals and minerals puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 9 parts into the frame. This is a 3D printed puzzle. All parts are 3D printed, and the pieces that you have to put inside, they have different colors, and the colors match the color of the chemical elements that are written on the blocks. Like this one is silver, this one is potash, tungsten, marble, sulfur, gold, copper, zinc, and this one is diamond. That's why this puzzle has its name, metals and minerals, since each piece has the name of either metal or mineral. And you have to put everything inside the frame, but once you start solving it, you will quickly find that it is not that easy as it may look, since you can put most of the parts inside, but then you will have 1, 2, maybe even 3 parts left. They don't fit, but you still have to put the lid on top, and no part's supposed to stick out. But as you can see, now it is not possible, since you have to find the only correct solution. This is quite a nice puzzle, and if you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already bought the puzzle and have no idea how to solve it, keep watching the video, since I'm going to show you the solution. So we will start to solve the puzzle with the black tungsten piece and put it right here. Then you have to find the gold piece and put it next to tungsten, like so. Then you grab the copper piece and put it inside. The next one will be marble, and you put it inside here. Then we grab the largest zinc piece, and you can already see that there is just enough space for the diamond part. It goes right here. Then we put this part here, and there is space for just 2 parts. One goes here, and the silver piece goes in here, and then you can put the lid and close it. And as you can see, there are no sticking out parts. The lid is closed all the way, and that is the solution of the metals and minerals puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great packing puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.